There are lots of universities in Germany where you can study. Every university in Germany requires your English language skill. How expert in English you are. So there are some universities they require IELTS certificate as a English language skill. Some universities require TOEFL certificate. Some universities require another English qualification certificate. So there are some universities where you can apply without your IELTS certificate. In that case, you should have medium of instruction certificate. So if you have medium of instruction certificate, you can apply with this certificate to different types of universities in different types of programs. So what is medium of instruction certificate, in short MOI? What is that? If you can see this video, here is a sample of medium of instruction certificate. So here is written that the medium of instruction certificate shortly briefs that your personal information, your academic information, and your medium of language when you were doing your bachelor's degree. It tells that you have completed your bachelor degree in English medium. So in short, it is equivalent to the IELTS certificate. It requires some rules and regulations following. For example, this certificate should be attested from your department where you have already completed your degree. From your department head will verify this certificate. He will signature and he will stamp in this certificate. And one thing more, this certificate should be attested from your home country through the lawyer or through the authority. They can certify this certificate. So in that case, if you have medium of instruction certificate, you can apply without IELTS certificate. In that case, you have no problem to get visa from your home country, from the embassy of your home country. Now I would like to share you a list. There is the list of universities where application is possible without IELTS. There is the possibility to apply without IELTS certificate in some universities. There are lots of universities and lots of programs where you can easily apply without IELTS certificate, without TOEFL certificate, or any other language certificate, only if you have medium of instruction certificate. Otto von Guericke University, Magdeburg. I am an international student of this university. I have already uploaded a video how can you apply without IELTS certificate in this university. So if you want, you can watch my another video regarding this university, Otto von Guericke University, Magdeburg. It is another university, Free University of Berlin. or Freie University or Freie Universität in Berlin. I have already uploaded another video regarding this university. This university is in the capital Berlin of Germany. University of Passau. There are some programs in this university. You can apply without IELTS certificate. Whether you are a student of science background or arts background or commerce background, for you have the possibility to apply in this university from your science background, arts background or commerce background field. University of Bonn. It is very nice university. University of Kiel. Here some programs also for you where you can apply without IELTS. University of Hohenheim in Stuttgart. The city of Stuttgart is a very beautiful place to live, very beautiful city to study, and in this city there are lots of job availabilities for you. University of Siegen or Ziegen. Frau Erlangen Nürnberg. Frau Erlangen Nürnberg. University of Kaiserslautern. I am trying my best. Ruhr University Bochum. Some words are very difficult to pronounce for me also. It is another university. TH: University of Freiburg. Hochschule Stralsund. University of Beirut. I am trying, I am learning also. Frankfurt University of Applied Sciences. Chemnitz University of Technology. There are lots of Bangladeshi students study in this university. Esslingen University of Applied Sciences. Braunschweig University of Technology. Braunschweig or Braunschweig. Ich lerne Deutsch, so forgive me. University of Kassel. University of Gießen. University of Gießen. University of Koblenz and Landau. University of Koblenz and Landau. The University of Applied Sciences Ingolstadt. It is around 150 km away from Munich or München. Flensburg University of Applied Sciences. Anhalt University of Applied Sciences. It is between the Magdeburg city and the Leipzig city. It is near the Berlin. So the surrounding cities of Anhalt University are Leipzig, Berlin, Magdeburg. University of Hildesheim. I have already uploaded some videos before where you can apply without IELTS certificate. Those videos are in details, but now I am just showing the list of some universities where you can apply without IELTS certificate. But there are some other videos that I have already uploaded before. There I have explained in details about the process, also how many subjects you can apply in those universities. I have already discussed in those videos how to search different important websites regarding the application process. I have been talking long time. I am taking your valuable time. So, if I hurt you, please forgive me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Anyway, advance welcome to Germany.